that we might have had issues discussing conventions like the one on the International Trade for Endangered Species CITES, and we might have had differences when we are negotiating now the ongoing discussions of the international legally binding instrument to end plastic pollution, including in the marine environment, which people are calling the Plastics Treaty. We might be discussing those and having disagreements between, Kenya sees it this way, South Africa sees it that way, Somalia sees it differently. But on this one, we agree that radioactive waste cannot be imported and we shall control it. But it also opens another Pandora's box. The understanding of control, if we say we are going to control our voices in this room, so that we don't look at it like politicians don't have goodwill. When we say let's control our voices, if I speak and Tess speaks, and then we have Professor Quinn speaking and Tom speaking, what control means to them is totally different from what controlling my voice means to me. If you tell a computer scientist and a software developer like, our good brother Mondi, to control the level of engagement with user traffic and so on, what that means to them and what that means to Zuckerberg and his team is totally different. So even the definition of the terms control, the definitions of even terms like prohibition, is where we begin to have problems in Africa. And why? I think we have a big problem because we also negotiate most of these treaties in non-African languages, colonial languages. But now it's becoming increasingly complex because it is infused in the food we eat. It is infused in the fertilizers that we use to kill our soils. It is infused in the cosmetics that our people use. It is so detrimental that sometimes we even lack the capacity and the technology, and not forget the human resource to be able to cater for that. So the economic losses and the damages are way beyond what can be seen. I submit.